So we've got an interesting one on the bench today, a timepiece triple analog, and the owner is complaining that the tremolo is too choppy and created a clicking sound. So let's just plug it in and see if we can recreate it. Okay, yeah, that's really noisy. And what's more worrying is that the owner said that there's some strip board involved inside the unit. So I have no idea what we're going to find. Kind of like this though, it sounds like a 3/808 kick with your guitar pedal. Fast mode, but that's not what the owner is after. And so the moment of truth, oh my gosh. So there's PCBs just taped down. Whoever designed these PCBs did not add any mounting holes or anything. Not quite sure what they had in mind, but this seems to be how it's ended up. And this middle PCB here, I think is the tremolo one that we need to have a look at. So I guess the first thing we'll do is just have a little probe around, see if we can see this control voltage. And oh, that's going up to the top voltage rail. Let me just have a look around. Oh, there we go. That looks like it. And if we follow that trace, that goes to this resistor here. And also then it goes to this cap. And probably this cap is going to ground. Let's measure that. Yep, that looks like it's going to ground, and that pins the one with the signal. So I can hook my scope up to this resistor so we can have a play, see if we can play around with that cap value. Okay, so depending on how you look at this, you can see that there's a very sharp turn off there, which is what I'm sure is causing the clicks. And depending on how you view it, it looks pretty square wavy when you zoomed in like this. So let's see what we can do. So I've got a 100 nanofarad cap here, and I'm just putting it in parallel. Oh, we can see it does actually alter the shape. Let's get a bigger one. So I've got a 330 nanofarad cap, and if you put that in parallel, oh, it's actually getting more like a sine wave. I wonder what that actually sounds like. Let's plug it in. Still hear a thump. Oh, it gets much worse when I take it off. So there is some improvement there. Maybe we need to try and find a large cap. Let's see what I've got. So I found on here, which is actually a 3.3 microfarad. Measures 3 on this meter. Let's put that in. Well, I say put it in, I mean put it parallel across this original cap here. If I can get the legs the right distance. Oh, there we can see a very different shape. Bit more sinusoidal than we had before. Let's plug a guitar in, see what happens. So there you can hear the choppiness of that tremolo. And if I can insert this cap in at the same time, yeah, that definitely improves things. Let's take the old one out. So I've just pulled the original cap out, and it's reading 21 nanofarads, which is quite minuscule compared to our 3.3 microfarad. Okay, so let's put the new cap in. Definitely sounds less clicky. Still quite noisy. I wonder whether any of these wires in here need to be shielded. But definitely sounds more tremolo-like and gatey than it was before. And one thing I don't like is this tape that's put around the inside of this case. You really want to create a complete metal seal. There we go, that's much better. So I gave all the pots a good clean whilst we had it out there, because I noticed they were a little bit noisy before. So let's just plug it in, make sure it all still works. And luckily I've got a DI input on my sound card here. I'll just strum the guitar underneath the bench. Okay, that's definitely improvement. Not so much on the high speed. Still getting a click on the high speed mode. Not sure if the owner uses that much, but definitely improvement on the normal speed. I guess the thing to do is to give this back to him, and then we can go from there. Maybe he doesn't need the fast speed, which would be really good. I'll keep you updated. Catch you next time.